Yeah, my name is Ritesh Verma. I'm working in the IT sector for almost last 20 years. So I work with Rinnai Australia, which is one of our leader in manufacturing of heating and cooling devices, both for residentials as well as commercial. My role within Rinnai is ICT service delivery manager, primarily taking care of the service delivery team who takes care of level 1 and level 2 support for end users. On top of that, I also do service management, bit of vendor management, and a bit of infrastructure support as well. I am the SME for most of the ManageEngine products within Rinnai. So Rinnai has around 500 employees, apart from the manufacturing force that we have on the floor. So our IT team compromises of three different laterals. One is the application management, second is the infrastructure, which also includes service desk, service delivery, and the third is network and security, right? So I primarily take care of service delivery and the infrastructure. The most common challenges I would say is in terms of the web security, wherein people try to access certain websites, but they are being blocked because they've been classified as low risk score or being classified as, marketing or something like that. So yeah, the people are not happy there because they want to access certain things probably for their work as well, or in personal time for their personal use, but they are being blocked. So we have to, bring them on board that why these things being blocked, make them convinced as well that there are certain risks associated with that. Apart from that, yeah, there are BAU things like Outlook issues, Windows operating system issues, probably password issues or some stuff like that. So which are very, very basic in general, and I'm sure most of the organizations are facing the same challenges as well. But yeah, we have got our team capable enough of dealing the things well on time. We try to achieve high response time every month, on day-to-day basis tracking system. We have leveraged the dashboard function of ServiceDesk Plus for our IT staffs to view every day, and to make sure that things are in control. They're not going way beyond the SLAs and stuff like that. We are using ServiceDesk Plus for almost more than 10 years now. My journey with ServiceDesk Plus and Rinnai together is around more than 7 years. When I started with Rinnai, ServiceDesk Plus was there, but was sort of in a very immature configuration stage. So I self-learned with the help of ManageEngine support team and our account manager. I was able to gather enough competencies to configure ManageEngine for fit for Rinnai's purpose internally. We started to implement, more of the categorization within the tickets, priorities within the tickets, configuring groups and technicians with certain SLAs as well. Then we moved on in setting up the service catalog. So we got rid of the paper-based, security access change or onboarding, offboarding, stuff like that, completely digital with the Service Desk Plus. And then we started to have asset management and CMDB within Service Desk Plus as well. So Service Desk Plus was on a very stable and fruitful configuration stage. Then exploring more of the products from ManageEngine, we realized that Endpoint Central is another tool that we can adapt and we can have on board to ease our life, to have more management towards endpoint devices. So we loved the feature of patch management out of that. It has its own MDM capability. The remote control feature of it is pretty good as well. Even without knowing the customer, we can have access to their command prompt and run certain queries to get the required results out of their computers. It discovers and fixes certain basic system issues. For example, their temp file folders getting full or stuff like that. We also liked the feature of patch management of end computing, so that also balances our security, the parameters that we want to implement. And now we do patching every month. We make sure that all the critical patches are being deployed. We can see the outcome of the patch management within the dashboard of Endpoint Central, and we can see what risk score Rinnai has achieved in that particular month. So that gives us more of a visibility, more of a control, and more of a validation of the things that we do. So in that way, again, checking all the boxes that we wanted to enable the business to do more efficiently, and increasing the resolution, response time in a very effective way. So that has helped us a lot. With ManageEngine, what I would, on top of my mind, what I would say that is the first thing is the budget. It fits the budget of a small to medium scale enterprise, which Rinnai very well qualifies as well. And in comparison to other products in the market, what I feel is that most of the ManageEngine products are like 1/3 or 1/4 of the cost that we should have put in. So saying that, paying less with ManageEngine doesn't say that we are compromising on the qualities or the features as well. The ManageEngine has always, volunteered or always have come in front to help customers, even if we have requested something which are very, very customized. So I give you one example. When we onboarded Endpoint Central, we were in a demand of having a secure gateway so that we can expose Endpoint Central externally as well, so we can remote control the computers when people are not on site, right, or not on VPN. So the secure gateway configuration out of the box, what ManageEngine was offering, was Windows based, but our security team, due to certain reasons, were not comfortable of having a Windows secure gateway. So ManageEngine went a step ahead and they offered us that we gotta develop a secure gateway Linux based for you guys with Titan security and whatever your requirements are. And they did that. So it's been like 5 years now we are using Linux based secure gateway. And it's not that they deployed it and developed it once and stopped supporting us. They're still supporting it. Even whenever there is a hotfix for Endpoint Central released, they make sure that's compatible with Rinnai's secured gateway. So they have more than 100 customers, but they didn't forget us. They still remember us. Yeah. So that's, value add. That's sort of a respect or sort of a collaboration that we do with ManageEngines. Makes us proud and makes us comfortable that yes, we are with the right partners. The only thing I would say is, really glad to work with ManageEngine in the past 7 years or so. I've learned a lot from them as well. The products have helped in nurturing my own capabilities and competencies. In the new era wherein we don't want to do monotonous work, they help us to do more smart work now. So it has leveraged us the time to think about certain things which probably would have not thought about. So thanks a lot, ManageEngine. Thank you so much for having me here.